y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good on today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe before we get into this video. I would greatly appreciate it. Alright y'all, so this video is on this wig I was sent from Hairvivi. Okay, shout out to them. Thank y'all so much for sending me out this wig. They sent me out their bob wig. This wig length does come in 14 inches, or at least mine was a 14 inch. The cap construction is a 5x5 lace front cap, so you get a lot of parting space in the middle. The density is 160. Okay, I did get mine in a medium cap, and the hairline does come pre-plucked, and the knots come bleached already, so they come pre-bleached. It also comes with an elastic band already ready to go, and it has I believe it has 3 combs in it. So this wig honestly comes ready to go right out of the box, which is very good. Now they do also have the option where you can get the fake scalp already sewn onto the wig if you prefer, but me personally, I am not a fan of the fake scalp method. I prefer to go ahead and do my ball cap and then just have the wig with the lace and no fake scalp. One thing I wanted to say, y'all, I've been meaning to try this company for a while, and I finally got a chance to work with them. And when they told me that they wanted to send me out their wigs and that it was pre-plucked and, you know, ready to go, I was like, okay, that's fine. But normally I still always go in and pluck my wig some more when a company stresses that their wigs are pre-plucked, right? So when I got this wig, y'all, literally when I tell you I did not pluck a thing on this wig, because if I did, it would have been overboard. It came ready to go. I did not pluck this hairline. I did not go back and bleach any knots. The knots were bleached to perfection. So yes, y'all, I do know that this hair company, the pricing for their wigs is a little higher than some may prefer, but honestly, I go by the rule of you get what you pay for. So of course, you know, spend the coins on what you want to spend your coins on. But if you're looking for a great quality wig where it's pretty much like ready to go, you honestly wouldn't have to do anything but style it to your desired look that you're going for. But if you're not a fan of plucking, you hate plucking or don't understand or get the, you know, get the gist of it, you don't like bleaching your knots, baby, this is the wig. Like, this wig is awesome. The hair quality, bomb. Okay, it was, when I was curling the hair, I didn't have any issues with synthetic fibers. Everything was curling perfectly. It seems to be all human hair. The parting space on the wig, bomb. The elastic band that comes with the wig, very great quality. Okay, thick, sturdy, love it. I believe it was adjustable as well. The wig construction itself, like, you know, the weft sewn on, everything was to perfection. Even the freaking packaging, y'all, bomb. Just love the packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging, so when you take the time out to have nice detailed pretty packaging, I freaking love it. So I do understand that this wig's prices may be a little higher than some may prefer, but you get what you pay for, y'all. So if you want quality products, then I definitely recommend you check out Hairvivi. Of course, do your research and check out other reviews, but I was very surprised with this. Like, the fact that I didn't have to pluck anything said a lot to me, because I'm telling you, I've had wigs where they said they were pre-plucked, and I said okay, but I always had to go back in. Like, I want to say this is the first wig that I did not pluck a freaking thing. All I did was go in and do my baby hairs and style it, y'all. Freaking amazing. style the wig, I decided to, of course, put some curls in. It came out very, very cute. I freaking loved it. I felt just real classy, okay? And of course, I put my wig on gluelessly. I put it on with bedhead, hardhead spray. Y'all know how I do. And then let me get into the lace. The lace was nice and thin, okay? It wasn't thick. It wasn't hard. It was a nice thin lace. It's not HD lace, but it's like a nice quality Swiss lace. So this wig is definitely made of quality, y'all. I'm telling you, it's really, really nice, very easy to install. I didn't even have to cut my ear tabs when I installed the wig. I didn't even have to cut the ear tabs. Like, it fit perfectly. Everything was just superb. And then with the elastic band, you can remove it. So y'all, I'm sorry to keep rambling, but I was just very thoroughly surprised at this wig and the outcome of the look that we came up with. So yeah, it was just a really, I enjoyed my experience with this wig, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the install. All right, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hairvivi, thank you guys so much for an excellent experience. I appreciate y'all so much. Love the wig. Love the whole entire get up. Okay, everything was to perfection. Again, to my subbies and my viewers, thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all so much. Thank you for your support. I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video, okay? Love y'all. Bye.